Okay, today's Wednesday. Sorry, I just had a hiccup. Today's Wednesday, October 28th, and you should have one on your screen that looks like Reading Horizons. And then when you click on it, there will be slides that look like this. The first slide is a sort again. So we're just sorting the words, just like what it says here. We're just sorting them. Your next one's Tic Tac Toe. Now I want you to watch closely because last week Miss Hackney had to keep explaining to you how to do Tic Tac Toe. So I'm going to show you how to do Tic Tac Toe, and I want you to listen closely because she is not going to explain it to you. You, in fact, are going to explain it to her. Okay, so let me bring up my, having a hard time finding it. Here we go. So you need just a blank piece of paper. And on the blank piece of paper, you're going to do the tic-tac-toe steps. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is put your name on your paper. Then if you look at the tic-tac-toe, so here's my paper, and I'm going to put my name. Oh, actually, I have to use a pen. So I'm going to put my name on my paper. Then it says you have to pick a tic-tac-toe to do. So you're going to pick either spell improve 2 skills from the word bank or choose 5 words from the word bank and write them in ABC order. So you're going to pick 3 so that you can make a tic-tac-toe. So maybe you're going to go across the middle here. Okay, you know how to play tic-tac-toe. You need 3 in a row. So number 4, I'm going to do 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to write those on my paper because those are the ones I'm going to do. 4, 5, and 6. 4 says write 2 words from the word bank that have the same vowel sound. And it says circle or highlight the vowel. So I'm going to go over here to my word bank, 2 that have the same vowel sound. So we have an A and a U there, that won't work. A and an A. Spring, all. I don't think those have the exact sound, even though they're an A and an A. This says all, and this says ang, and a. They sound, the A's sound a little different in each of them. So instead of doing those, I'm going to do call and all because those both say ah. So it said to write my 2 words. I'm doing number 4 on my tic-tac-toe. Number 4 on my tic-tac-toe says write 2 words from the word bank that have the same vowel sound. Highlight or circle the vowel. So I'm going to do call and all. And I'm going to circle my vowels. So make sure they have the same sound, and then you'll circle them. Then you'll go to your next one on your tic-tac-toe. It says spell and prove 3 words from the word bank. So I'm going to do long. And when it says prove it, that means you're going to mark your vowel and do your special vowel combination underneath it. And it said to do 3 words. So I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do skunk this time. I'm going to move this over a little bit so I have room. So this time I'm writing skunk. So whatever you would be writing on a piece of paper because you won't have a screen to write on. So I'm just doing it on my screen so you could see it in the video. Okay, and then another word from the bank. I'm going to do cling. So just choose 3 words from the word bank and go ahead and mark them. And you know what? These words are a little bit easier this week because they all have those special vowel combination markings. Then number 6 on my tic-tac-toe board says write a sentence using 1 most common word and 1 skill word. So my most common words this week are on the board. So I could do there or where, were or are or all. And I need to use a skill word too, so let me think. Where was the bank? So one of my most common words is where, and bank is a skill word. So on my paper, I could write where, and I'm going to make sure since it's a sentence, I start with a capital. Where is the bank? Question mark. Okay, so I chose to do 4, 5, and 6 across the middle. You could do 2, 5, and 8. You could do 7, 5, and 3, 1, 5, and 9. Any that you want that makes the 3 in a row is what you're doing. When you're done, your paper should have the 3 numbers that you chose to do with the answers that you chose to do. And then you should take that to Miss Hackney. She is not allowed to explain tic-tac-toe to you. You need to watch this video and then do what the video says.